Hello guys, welcome back to Coricast. So for today's video, I will be doing something different. Well, it's a little different, but I will still be doing an unboxing video. And for this video, I will do an unboxing of this old release of the Nissan Skyline GTR Tommykaira RZ Midnight Purple by Mini GT. And this is still a sealed model. It's still brand new. Well, I mean new because it is not brand new. And also, while I'm unboxing this, I will also be wheel swapping this model with these wheels from Zukuri project. And this is a Advan SAR V2 resin. So this is actually a 3-spoke wheels made by Advan Racing in real life, but it is made in 64 scale by Zukuri project. And I think it's the V2. I mean, looks like a revised one, and it must be better than the V1, than the volume one. So let's just see it because I haven't opened this. And also I'm gonna be opening this one first, so yeah, we'll do it right now. So this model has been sitting in my collection for a while. I haven't opened it, and I decided to open it now because I just found out these wheels from Zukuri project, and I think these wheels will look nice on this model, especially the gold wheels. You could see the vision. Yeah, no, yeah. All right, let's just open it. Hopefully this new old model doesn't have any defects on it, because it is still sealed. I don't know how's the quality control, how this build quality. And yeah, here we go. Well, overall I think it's looking pretty nice. The model itself doesn't have any defects. The wheels looks good. Oh no, it does have defects, but fortunately on this video we're gonna wheel swap this original wheels from Mini GT with this one, so it's no problem. Okay, aside from this defect, I think the rear one looks all right. Oh, the spoiler kind of bit looks slanted. You see that? It's kind of towards the right. And from the right side, I think it's okay. It doesn't have anything. Oh well, too soon. This one has a glue residue on the front fender. It's okay. Could still fix that. Well, yeah. Overall, it's pretty nice. Doesn't have any very damaging defects that could possibly ruins my photo, so it's fine. And now let's do the wheel swapping on this. So what should you do when you want to wheel swap a mini scale or a model car, especially this one, a Mini GT? You need to first open the base with a screwdriver, and this is mine. It's kind of it's kind of bent, but it's still working, so I'm just still using this one. And we just slowly open the base. Both and front screwdriver works, easier to open. And then voila, it's open. And then you take off the original wheels, the defect one, previous one. Take this one off, and then you pop the base back in the model and you screw it back when you want to wheel swap. Okay, so what we got here is the body only model without the wheels. And now we are going to do a wheel swap using this one, the Zukuri project Advan SAR V2 resin. And this this number is the size of the wheels. It is 9.5 millimeters. I think it's a standard size wheels for like a JDM's or a 90s car in a mini scale model, because the standard size is like on this 9.5 millimeters. So I think it will suit perfectly on the model. And how do we attach these wheels on the model? Well, we use a glue tack or blue tack, something like that. I'll show the picture on this. You see that? That's the one I'm buying. But what I am using right now is the used one. I already used this a couple times in my other model car. So yeah, it doesn't have any brands or any packaging left. It's just this one. But it's still useful for another model car, so I'm keeping this. And right now we are going to wheel swap it. So this is how the packaging look for Zukuri project. And we just take off the wheel. As you can see, the wheels first. This is the wheels. So this is the wheels from Zukuri project, and I think it looks fantastic. The paint job is very clean. We got this kind of two-tone wheels with the silver barrel and the gold face wheels. And also the tires have a tire tread, which kind of looks nice. Adds a bit more realistics. And the rear one is, yeah, it's bland, it's simple, because no one cares to look at the back, because it is going to be attached with the glue tack later on, so it's just not important to make details on the back. Wait, why it's not focused? Yeah, finally. So now we are going to put these wheels on this model. Why it's kind of tucked in? Using this glue tack, we take glue tack as much as we want and as much as we need it. I think this one is enough. And then for the wheels, in my opinion, I think when we will swap the wheels, we should pay attention on the disc brakes and the direction of the disc brakes of the real car. So when we photograph this model car, it kind of makes it looks more realistic, because the disc brake is in the correct position. So if you can see here, we got on my left hand is the front wheel disc brake, because it is bigger calipers, and also on the right side we got the rear one, because it is smaller caliper. If you could see that, it's kind of hard to see the caliper, but it's important for me to make this right. So we are going to put these front wheels first. And oh wait, the glue tack fell off. Now if you see that the glue tack is on the wheels, and we just put it in the model like this, right? So yeah, it's that simple. And then you already got a pretty nice looking model with a new wheels. And we are going to do the same with the other three. Okay, so there you have it. I already wheel swap all the four wheels, and as you can see from the bottom, we got this glue tack sticking inside the wheel arches with the four wheels on it. So, and it's going to look better because it's a much lower fitment, and it's a much detailed wheel, so it's gonna enhance the look of your model. And yeah, I think that's it. If you want a wheel swap, I think there are a lot of options right now, especially if you are in Indonesia, because there are a lot of brands that makes these third-party resin wheels, like this one, the Zukuri project, and this is the Advan SAR V2 resin, and I think it got a nice detail on it, so it's gotta be perfect for your mini scale. And yeah, this is the final uh, model product review, I think, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's done. So the video is not ending here, and I just want to do this kind of secret giveaway, and this is the model that I want to give away. It doesn't look full on the video, if you could see that. This is the same model of the model that I just reviewed and wheel swap, but this is the Mijo exclusive version. Wait, I'ma just get rid of this rotating display first. So this is the giveaway. The Mini GT Nissan Skyline GTR Tommykaira RZ Midnight Purple in Mijo exclusive. And how to get this giveaway item is just you come and see me at Indonesia Diecast Expo 2024, which was held in 26 to 27 October 2024. It's still next month. You meet me there. The first one to meet me there in the Mini GT booth area, and you could ask someone there, Korikes or my channel or my Instagram. They should know the Korikes name, so you ask someone around the Mini GT booth area in Indonesia Diecast Expo event, and if you manage to find me, you'll get this one for free. That's simple, but you need to come to IDE first, especially in the Mini GT booth area, to get this item. Okay, so that's it. It's a secret giveaway for those who still watch this video without skipping anything and with still watching this video until the end. So yeah, wait, the display is back, and we're just gonna play it back. Yeah. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, please like and comment. If you have suggestion on the video, please comment too down below. And if you want to subscribe, please subscribe. It does help me and I appreciate it. And also, if you want to do the giveaway, please come to Indonesia Diecast Expo 2024 and come to the Mini GT booth area and ask for my name, Korikes, and you'll be possibly getting this Mijo exclusive item on this video. Okay, yeah, that's it. I think no more. Bye.